Next is solid geometry. This is no new concept. Basic questions. Again, like area, volume, perimeter, lengths. Let's start with question 2, then I'll come back to number 1.
Okay, sir.
As the question says in the figure, the figure above shows the rectangular box in which AB is equals to 6. Let's meanwhile write it. AB is 6, AC is 5, AD is 8, and F is the midpoint of BE. What is the length of the shortest path from A to F that travels only on the edges of the box and does not pass through either B or C? It cannot pass through B, cannot pass through C. And we have to travel on the edges and starting from A and ending at F. So if I cannot go to B and C, there's no other way. I have to go through 8. So this first line is 8. And then the second line is 5. The third line is 6. Fourth, 8. And fifth is 2.5. 8, 5, 6, 8, 2.5. You get to 29.5. Question number 1.
Okay, sir. So would not all of them be true?
Very good. All of them are true. You familiar with this third point?
Sorry.
Are you familiar with this third point?
Third point, sir, I wasn't sure, but I made a guess that it would be. Could you explain this?
Yeah, okay. Quick discussion so that stays in long term memory. When we have like a 3D shape, and let that be the base. So the longest would be starting from this point and going on the other in diagonal form. So A, B, C, D. A, D would be the longest. In order to find that, I'm just using these numbers. Let's say this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So if I have to find AC first, I would do AC is equals to 2 square plus 3 square whole square root. Now I have AC. If I need to find AD, AD is AC square plus CD square, applying Pythagoras theorem. So AC is all that I'm substituting it 2 square plus 3 square whole square is equal to CD is on 4 square cancels out. So I'm left with 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square whole square root equals AD. That's how it works. Two sides only a square plus b square, three sides a square plus b square plus c square.
But when it goes to the other side of the um, equal sign, would it not become a negative the 4?
No, we never took anything on the other side.
Oh, okay. It was okay.
It's a plus sign.
Okay, okay. Understood.
Trying question number 5.
So since so the radius is times by 2 and the height is times by 1.5, right?
Yes.
So would it not just be um 1 minute? So it's hmm, or so wouldn't the volume just be 6 times bigger? So 60 ounces.
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, left few questions for practice and coming on to this topic. Again, the name is same, but the structure of questions is a bit different. It says, what is the volume of the cube whose surface area is 150? Volumes unknown, surface area given. The surface area is 6L square. Substituting, I get the height. Length is equals to 5. So volume is equals to length cube. 5 cube is 125. Try question number 4.
Okay, so So I forgot to tell you, Basi won't be attending class because he has guests over at his house.
Okay. He texted in group as well.
Oh, you did?
Thank you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, just between the class.
Okay. No, so he texted me at like 10 something. I forgot to tell you. What time is it come? See. Or would it be r is equal to h over square root of pi?
That's correct. Question number 7.
So I'm not sure about this answer, but is it 196?
Let me check. Argentine key says 84.
84. Oh, huh? So I got 84, but the formula I
You should
was
ignore pi.
yeah. Oh, okay. Oh,
Like,
ignore pi. Ignore pi. Then yes, I got 84 because
it's
divided by pi.
yeah,
Okay.
2 pi rh plus 2 pi rh.
Hmm. I did 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared.
There are like 4 things which you will be adding. A 5-foot long cylindrical pipe has an inner diameter of 6 feet and outer diameter of 8. The total surface area of inside outside, including the ends. So if we look at this pipe, so we have four surfaces which we are going to add. Outer surface 2 pi RH plus inner surface 2 pi RH plus the top cross section, this top cross section pi r square plus the bottom cross section is pi r square. So the first one, if I'm talking about our outer, let me write capital R for that. And sorry, this would be pi r square minus pi r square to get the inner cross section. So the outer curved surface area is 2 pi and the radius for larger is 4 and height is 5. Inner is 2 pi, 4, radius is 3 and height is 5 plus pi r square minus pi r squared. 4, 5 times is 20. 20 into 2 is 40 pi. 3, 5 times 15, 2 times is 30 pi. 4 is 16 pi. 3 is 9 pi. 40, 30, 70, 86, 40, 56, 70, 80. And one more change. Now we do this like this whole thing times 2. We have two cross sections. So 9 into 2. So we get finally 40 pi plus 30 pi plus 32 pi minus 18 pi. Then you get 84 pi. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
So question number 10. Meanwhile, you solve this and I'll just go and get the doorbell. Be right back.
Okay, sir. Okay. Which question?
Question number 10.
Question 10. Okay.
Did you get
Yes,
it?
sir. Um, I'm not very sure, but I got. No, wait. Let me go back on the calculator. It says 2/3.
That is correct.
It is. Could you explain it because I'm
Yeah.
not very sure I use the right method.
The only
I
tip
just.
to consider these radiuses.
Mm-hmm.
So we have
I just made them one.
that's right. Six of
Oh.
these is equals to height.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll be using h is equals to 6r where I have to replace it. So when we see that volume of sphere is 4 pi 3 pi r cube, and we have three such spheres divided by the total volume, that is pi r square h. The numerator I'm getting this 4 pi r cube, and
Mm-hmm.
the denominator I'm getting pi r into 6r.
Mm-hmm.
H replaced. Now pi goes away with pi. This is 4r cube over 6r cube. And finally 2 by 3.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
Is
share this and one extra topic, that is coordinate geometry.
is this coordinate geometry or?
This was solid geometry.
Oh, okay.
Coordinate
No.
geometry is in XY.
Oh, yes, I love those.